In the modern machine learning landscape, we have reached a paradox. We have more processing power and more algorithms than ever before, yet for most of the industry, a model remains a black box. The industry gap is one of intuition. We spend weeks writing boilerplate code in Python or R only to receive a single accuracy number at the end. We are building models we cannot see, and therefore models we cannot truly trust. Business leaders want explainability, researchers want rigor, and students want understanding. This disconnect is where innovation dies. At Q Insight Labs, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between advanced math and visual clarity. You deserve an X ray for your data. Introducing Visual ML Lab Pro. This is not just a dashboard, it is a real time interactive ecosystem designed to turn mathematical complexity into visual reality. The workflow is built for the experiment first mindset. You simply pick a data set from the classic iris to high dimensional digits and open a specialized lab. There is no code to debug. Instead, you use intuitive sidebars to orchestrate experiments. You adjust tuning ladders like regularization strength or tree depth and watch the results update instantly. It is a flight simulator for data science, allowing you to crash models, fix them, and understand the why behind every shift in the curve. Let's dive into the supervised modules. In our classification lab, we move beyond simple metrics. You can visualize PCA projected decision boundaries and analyze ROC and precision recall curves side by side. Our tool specifically addresses symptom to action diagnostics. If your boundaries look too boxy or islander, the lab helps you diagnose overfitting in real time. In the regression lab, we provide the mathematical foundation from the normal equation to L1 and L2 regularization. But more importantly, we visualize the residuals. By spotting patterns in your residuals versus predictions, you can detect heteroscedasticity and nonlinearity that a simple R squared value would hide. You aren't just fitting a line, you are analyzing the error structure of your model. For unsupervised learning, we focus on the hidden truth of data. Our clustering lab allows you to benchmark k-means, DBSCAN, and agglomerative methods. We don't just show clusters, we provide the silhouette plots and adjusted RAND index to verify if your groupings match the ground truth. When your data enters high dimensions, our dimensionality reduction lab takes over. Using PCA, TSNE, and UMAP, we flatten complexity into 2D or 3D insights, but we add a layer of scientific rigor rarely seen in no code tools. Trustworthiness metrics. We quantify how well the local neighborhoods are preserved, ensuring that your visualization is a faithful representation of the original high dimensional space. The crown jewel of the suite is the Neural Networks Lab. Here, you build multi layer feed forward architectures visually. You can tune layers, units, and activation functions like ReLU or TANH while watching the training dynamics epoch by epoch. This lab is specifically designed to teach the generalization gap. By observing the training and validation loss curves in real time, you can see the exact moment your model stops learning and starts memorizing. It is the ultimate tool for mastering gradient stability and architecture optimization. The outcome of Visual ML Lab Pro isn't just a screen, it is a professional grade research report. Every experiment is captured in the experiment log, recording every seed, hyperparameter, and metric for 100% reproducibility. We back our software with the 2026 Comprehensive Laboratory Manual, over 230 pages of detailed theory, structured activities, and capstone projects. This manual transforms the software into a masterclass, guiding you through model chooser rules and reporting checklists. With one-click exports for publication-ready PNG figures and Excel data, your documentation is finished before your coffee is cold. You leave the lab with a model you can trust and a report you can defend in any boardroom or classroom. We are entering an era where seeing is believing. Visual ML Lab Pro by Q Insight Labs is your partner in decoding the complexity of AI. We invite you to join our plan today. There has never been a better time to move beyond the code and start seeing your data. Visit us at qilabs.in to explore our documentation or reach out directly to connect at admin@qilabs.in for a personalized demo. Let's stop guessing and start deciding. Thank you for your time.